Hello everyone. Today I'm in the city of Waltham, a suburb just west of Cambridge and Boston, Massachusetts. I'm in the very desirable neighborhood of Warrendale, and I'm really excited to be showing you this beautiful home today. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. This property was redesigned, reimagined, and custom built in 2012. Here we have the kitchen opening up to the dining area with its own built-in window seat, opened up to the family room with custom cabinetry around the fireplace, and then over here to the left of the stairway, you have a primary suite on the first floor. Off the kitchen, you come down this hallway to the first floor half bath. Around the corner, there's a mudroom that leads to the one-car attached garage. And then here we have the slider out to the beautiful pool and backyard area. Wow, look at this gorgeous pool area, part of the redesign and rebuild back in 2012. This is gorgeous. The pool, the yard space, the fire pit, the gazebo. And my buddy Archie over here really loves this fully fenced-in yard. On the second floor, there's a second primary suite along with 4 other bedrooms and an office. One of the bedrooms is currently set up as a family room because this house is so large and has so many options. As I mentioned, the 6th bedroom is currently set up as a family room and a bit of a home gym. This home has a fully finished basement. This area is currently being used as a game room. It has direct access out to the pool. This could serve as your cabana area with a half bath right around the corner. This has been such a perfect day to be showing you this property. I'm Sandra Siciliano with Dwell 360 Real Estate. Thanks so much for taking this tour with me today.